Have you ever been on a crypto journey, only to find yourself getting hit with hidden fees and unexpected charges when you try to actually use your crypto? It's a frustrating experience, and it's why understanding the fee structure of any crypto-related product is so important. That's what we're here for today. We're talking about the Bitwala card, and more specifically, what it's going to cost you to use it. The Bitwala card is essentially a debit card that links to your Bitwala account, allowing you to spend funds directly from your crypto wallets. This is an amazing feature, but the big question is, what are the fees that come with that convenience? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the initial costs. When you're ready to get a card in your hand, you'll need to pay for it. The plastic physical card has a fee of €9.99, and if you want to get a virtual card, that's an additional 99 cents. The shipping for your physical card also has a cost, with standard track shipping at €4.99 and express shipping at a much higher €39.99. So right off the bat, you're looking at about a €15 investment just to get the card delivered to you with standard shipping. Now, what about daily usage? This is where things get interesting. The good news is, for standard point-of-sale and online payments, using your Bitwala card is free, as long as you're spending in euro. That's a huge plus. The free ride ends, however, when you start spending crypto directly. When you use your card to pay with crypto, there's a fee of 20 cents plus a 1% charge. Keep in mind, this is on top of any potential tax implications you might face by spending crypto. Now let's talk about getting cash. ATM withdrawals are another area where fees apply. With the Bitwala card, every ATM withdrawal comes with a fee of €2 plus a 1% charge. This is a crucial detail to remember, especially if you plan on using your card for cash withdrawals often. The daily ATM withdrawal limit is €350, and there's a monthly limit of €3,000. What about loading your account? If you're transferring euro funds via a SEPA transfer, it's generally free to deposit. But be careful, if you want to withdraw your euro funds, there's a fee of €1.99. When it comes to crypto, deposits are free, but keep an eye on the network fees, as those will be charged from your withdrawal amount. The fees for crypto to fiat transactions, that is, selling your crypto for euro, are also something to be aware of. For trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, there's a fee of €1 plus 1%. So, to summarize, the Bitwala card has no monthly subscription fee and no fee for standard euro payments. However, you'll pay for the physical and virtual cards, shipping, and there are specific fees for using crypto, withdrawing cash at ATMs, and selling your crypto. It's a system with a lot of moving parts, and knowing the details is key to avoiding those little surprises that can add up over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.